Surround yourself in a heavenly atmosphere through luxurious golden furniture in this new jewelry shop fitting by GrafTech. Furniture fits future. Classical clean cuts, minimal and elegant, yet surprising through the accent elements that have an intricate design. At GrafTech, we make it possible so that you have your products best represented in a well-rounded atmosphere that translates the values of your company and accentuates its best features. Let the custom-made furniture created specifically for your company being the best ambassador for your brand. Our designs always integrate the idea of creating the best framework that sustains a natural sales flow which facilitates growth and satisfaction. The unique look of this shop fitting is obtained by weaving various textures that ties the room aesthetic together. This creates a pleasant, harmonious, and attractive atmosphere that ennobles the displayed jewelry. It also maximizes the sales potential for the store and the satisfaction of the clients, feeling special during the visit. Luxurious golden shelving units that take advantage of dedicated LED light fixtures add value to the items on display. A must-have feature of the main theme, Luxurious Golden Paradise, is represented by a consultancy nook made out of an elegant golden metallic structure, noble glossy white countertop, and golden drawers. In order to create a clear yet elegant separation between units, we've chosen to insert vertical, elaborate, and intricate designs in the form of light fixtures made out of laser-cut golden metallic sheet lace. This brings together the desired heavenly atmosphere created with the aid of the furniture made by GrafTech. GrafTech. Furniture fits future.